Security forces in Manipur intensified search operations across fringe and vulnerable areas in both Hill and Valley districts. During an operation in Donjang village, Churachandpur district, security personnel recovered 3 improvised medium-sized cannons, known locally as pumpies, along with 2 exploded pumpy cells. The recovery highlights the ongoing efforts to stabilize the region amidst heightened tensions. In a parallel effort, forces facilitated the movement of essential goods, ensuring the passage of 251 vehicles along National Highway No. 37 and 206 vehicles on National Highway No. 2. Strict security measures were enforced, particularly in sensitive areas, to safeguard the transit of essential supplies. Additionally, 109 checkpoints were set up across Manipur. Despite these efforts, no violations were reported and no individuals were detained, marking a successful day in maintaining peace and security in the state.